Alexa, turn the lights on.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I just finished showering and I did a little bit of laser. I used the Kenzie and I actually really love it. I'm waiting to use it for a few more times, that way I can do an actual review of like before and afters and stuff like that. But yeah, anyways, just pop a little bit of gloss on. Okay, so the purpose of this video is because I just quickly wanted to show you guys how I do my hair. I have like naturally really curly hair, and so that means, at least for me, my hair doesn't get greasy easily, so I can go literally like 4 to 5 days without having it washed. But I normally like to wash my hair by like the 3rd or 4th day, and if I don't, then I'll just put on some what is it called, dry shampoo. This is the one that I use. I forgot where I got it, but I like it because it's for brunettes and I have like black hair. Like, I don't even have brown hair. I feel like I have really black hair. I've had a few people on my Instagram, like just friends that I know, and they want to know how I do my hair, because I like the blowout look. Like, whenever I go to my hairstylist and get a haircut, they do a blowout. He does a blowout, and I always tell him like to give me the J-Lo look. So that's like, or I'll just show him a picture. But I remember the first time that I went with him, I told him, I was like, give me like the J-Lo look, and he was like, okay, I know what you're talking about. Since I have curly hair, I don't brush my hair ever. Like, I just don't brush my hair. I feel like whenever I brush my hair, it gets tangled more than when it's curly. Like, if my hair is naturally curly and I don't brush it or anything, it doesn't have any like knots in it, or it doesn't get tangled up. But whenever I brush it, for some reason it does. I don't know. So yeah, unfortunately for me, I don't have a brush, and I do have a blow dryer, but my boyfriend uses it. It's mostly like he just does his hair and fixes his hair up, so I don't really use that blow dryer. It's mostly for him. But since I have been really loving like that blowout look, and you know, I think I might want to invest in getting like a one of those like blow dryer, with the blow dryers that already have like the brush head, if that makes any sense, because then you really just, it's so easy. Like, I've used it before, and actually the pictures that my friends were saying, how did you get this hair look, like how did you do that, was actually because my friend was kind enough to let me borrow hers. And I'll link down the actual like tool that I used. But yeah, it is honestly such a good tool. And then you use it with like a wow spray. It's kind of like a mini keratin treatment. Like, it really gives you that blowout look, and it's just, it's amazing. Like, I love that thing. Like, I really want to get it. But for now, this is how I get my blowouts. Yes, a straightener. I literally use a straightener. Can you believe that? Like, girl, we are in 2021. Get your shit together. I've already parted out my bangs. They're not really bangs. I guess they are. They're like face framing bangs, so they're not short. So I'm going to section my hair. And oh, also, I did say that I have naturally really curly hair, and this is just wavy. So what I did already, I just kind of like went with the straightener over my hair, just like nothing special. Like, I don't even brush it or anything. I just went over it to kind of flatten it out a little bit more, and I don't have such tight like curls or anything, so it's easier to do this. So I'll just part my hair halfway. Also, if you have a wand, that works perfectly as well. Just use the wand and don't do your curls too tight. Kind of like wrap your hair around the wand, but like very like separately, if that makes any sense. And then do that with all your hair, and then at the end what you want to do is just brush it out. Like, if you have a brush, brush it out, and it'll give you that sort of like blowout look. But the curls might be a little tighter. You gotta work with what you got, which is what I'm doing right now. I am just going to show you guys maybe like once or twice, and then I'm going to go through my whole head, and then I'll show you guys how I get my bangs. So I just grab a piece of hair, and with the little useless brush that I have, I brush my hair out. And then so what I'm going to do is curl my hair with the straightener a little bit. I'm pretty sure we all kind of know how to do this now. So you just drag it down like this. I'm looking over there because that's another thing I don't have, is like a mirror. I do have a mirror, but it's more like a makeup mirror, so it's small. So this is what I have right now. So just do that to your whole head. And once again, I just like to start at the top and straighten it out a little bit to get, I just have such long hair, I literally have to stand up. But okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Go like this, and the straightener is super hot, so I'm like trying not to burn myself. And then I'll just go all the way down. Got another curl. I'll show you guys this side. I'm just once again sectioning out my hair. I'll brush it out. I'm just gonna redo this one a little bit because I didn't get much of a curl at the top. Okay, so I just did that. So you're gonna want to do that for the rest of your hair. I'm just going to quickly time lapse this. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, if you have really like flat hair that doesn't hold curl, I would just get like a hairspray and spray it very lightly, like each strand. Like put your hairspray far away from you. So once you do like a curl, just put your hairspray like super far away from you and spray each like curl. That way it holds the curl until you're done with your whole hair. And also, like if it comes out like this and it's not perfect, that's fine, you can leave it, because like a blowout look looks very like it's doing its own thing, but it looks good, you know. You don't want it to look so like uniform, because I feel like that's the point of a blowout, is that it looks very like natural flow, you know. Like it just looks really nice. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out.
Be played at high volume, preferably in a residential area.
Where's she at, boys? What's going on over here?
I'm making a YouTube video.
You should not do that.
Why? Say hi. Oh, sorry, I have that little lip plumping.
Don't think.
Ow, I just burned myself. I have finished my like actual hair, so I'm just gonna leave that there for now. And I'm gonna take care of my bangs. I will just comb it, right? So you want to comb it, and then what you want to do is kind of straighten it up and just kind of like turn it back a little bit, like that. Like, how easy is that? Wow, that makes me excited. And then twist back a little bit, just a little bit, and then your hair kind of just falls. See, I overdid it now. It's like super curly. I just wanted to show you guys, but you can fix it. So this, okay, so you see this part, how it curled too much. So what you're gonna want to do is just go over it very lightly with your straightener. and that way it sits on your hair like this. Super cute. This part got too messed up because my straightener was too hot. You're not trying to straighten it, you're just trying to like shape the bang, you know? And if it's like curling over your forehead too much, you want to flatten it out a little bit. I just once again straighten that. We'll get to the hair in a minute. Let me just fix this part because I totally messed it up. Okay, see? Came out looking a lot better. I ended up fixing it, so now it looks like this. As for the hair, what you're gonna want to do is just kind of, since I have really thick hair and I don't want to brush through it and the curls just tend to fall like effortlessly, I'll just run my fingers through it. Same with this side. And so like this part up here, it's like super curly, so I'm just gonna like straighten it a little bit. Like that. And that is my blowout look with a straightener. Spray a little bit of spray on it. Not too much, you want to do it far away. There you have it. Obviously the curls look a little too tight. Normally a blowout, I feel like they don't look as tight as these curls, but you know, it's because I'm just improvising with my straightener. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just popped on a little bit of makeup because it's Friday. I don't have anything going on, but get ready because it makes you feel good. Like I said, if you have like the Dyson Airwrap or the Revlon machine that I was tool that I was talking about, I am going to link them down below. That like the Revlon, I think it's Revlon, don't quote me on that though, so I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. Let me know if you guys have tried this before, like with a straightener, because I feel like I'm such a straightener pro now because I don't have multiple tools, but I feel like I really need to invest in like a blowout tool because I actually like doing my hair like this a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys next time. Bye.